Okay guys, in today's math lesson we're going to be talking about making change from dollars and amounts higher than $1. So before we do that, we're going to talk about each of the bills and how much they're worth. Now it's easier to tell on the bills because the amount that they're worth is in the corner, where on the coin it's not always as easy to figure out. This is the $1 bill. You're probably familiar with this since a lot of you buy lunch and buy snack. This is George Washington. It says $1 and there are ones in the corner. On the back it says 1, so you know it's worth $1. This is the $2 bill. This is Thomas Jefferson. This bill is not one that we use. So your grandma or grandpa might have a $2 bill. Your mom or dad might have one saved for you. This isn't a bill that people use to buy stuff with. So it's more of a collector's bill. This is the $5 bill. This is Abraham Lincoln. It says $5 on the bottom and there are 5s in the corner. Over here we have the $10 bill. This is Alexander Hamilton. It says $10. There's 10s in the corner. Then we have the $20 bill. This is Andrew Jackson. Same thing. It says $20 and the 20 in the corner. Over here we have the $50 bill. This is Ulysses Grant. Again, it says $50. And then lastly, we have the $100 bill. This is Ben Franklin. And it says 100 here and $100 at the top. So $100, let me make a text box here. $100 would be written as $100, just like that. So $1 would be like this. This is $100. Now, if you're talking about $100 and leftover change, you would do 100 and then however much cents there was. So same thing down here. A $20 bill would be $20, and a $5 bill would just be $5. So that's going to be important to know when we start working on the next slides. So here it says Kelly bought a pencil sharpener for 47 cents and a pencil for 35 cents. What was her change from $1? So she gives them $1. She buys 2 things. So the first thing we need to do is figure out her 2 things together, how much were they? So we're going to be adding 47 and 35. There we go. All right. So 7 plus 5, you know that 7 plus 3 is 10, so 2 more is 12. So I will put the 2, carry the 1, I'm just going to stick it over here to the side. Okay, I know 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 6, 7, 8. So the 2 things cost 82 cents. Now she gives them $100, or $1 rather. We know that $1 is the same thing as 100 cents. So if I do 100 cents minus 82 cents, or so that's supposed to be minus 82 cents, you will get your answer. So I know to get from 82 to 90 is 8, and from 90 to 100 is 10. So my answer is 18 cents is her change. That's how much money she gets back. Here it says Nolan has 1 quarter, 1 nickel, and 21 pennies. His brother gave him 2 coins. He now has 86 cents. What 2 coins did his brother give him? So first things first, we need to figure out how much he has. How much is all this worth? So I know that 1 quarter is 25 cents. 1 nickel is 5 cents. And 21 pennies is 21 cents. Okay. I know that 25 plus 5 is 30, and 30 plus 21 gives me 51. So he has 51 cents. From there, he's going to go from 51 cents to 86 cents. So I like to find the difference between these two so then I can think about the 2 coins. So now I'm going to do 86 minus 51. I know that 6 minus 1 is 5, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, so I need to think of what 2 coins can make up 35 cents. Now, I'm going to need the biggest coin. So the biggest coin I can start with first is a quarter. That's worth 25 cents. And then the next biggest coin, I can't do 2 quarters because that would be 50 cents. I'm only trying to make 35. The next coin would be a dime. That's 10 cents, and 25 plus 10 is 35. So what 2 coins did he give him? Well, he gave him a quarter, 1 quarter, and 1 dime, because a quarter and a dime is 35 cents. Those are 2 coins. That's how much he had when you subtracted how much he has at the end versus how much he had in the beginning. All right, Ryan went shopping with 3 $20 bills, 3 $10 bills, 1 $5 bill, and 9 $1 bills. He spent $59 on a video game. How much does he have left? So first we need to figure out how much he had to start. Okay, 3 $20 bills. Well, if I count by 20s, 20, 40, 60, that's $60. Okay, then he has 3 $10 bills. If I count by 10s, that's 10, 20, 30. And then he has 1 $5 bill, which is just $5. He also has 9 $1 bills, which is $9. So we have to see how much money he has now. I know 60 plus 30 is $90, plus the leftover 9 plus 5. I know that 9 plus 1 is 10, so this would be 14. Okay, I know 90 plus 10 is 100, plus the 4 would be $104. So he has $104 to start. He spends 59 of it on a video game. So now I'm going to do 104 minus 59. Let's see, I'm going to have to do this. All right. This one's going to be tricky. Oh. Okay, I can't do 4 minus 9, so I would go next door and cross out the 0 and make it a 10, except I can't do that because there's nothing there. So I have to go all the way over. I'm going to make a new bubble up here so that we can see. I'm going to cross out the 1 and make it a 0. Then I'm going to, this 0 here will have become a 10, but because I'm borrowing from it, it's now going to become a 9. And this all the way over here is going to become a 14. All right. 14 minus 9 is 5, so I'm going to stick this here. And then 9 minus 5 is 4. And now this is 0 minus nothing. It gives me 0. So how much money does he get back? He gets back $45. So when you're working through your problem set today, make sure you're thinking about how much things are worth. Like I said, it's a lot easier to tell when you're working with bills because it says the number on it.